morning everyone. I hope you are doing well. Gosh, it's been ages since I've done a vlog style video, so I thought I would do one today. I'm actually heading out now to go and have my nails done. They are in desperate need of a manicure, so I'm going to get that done. I also have a few errands to run, but I thought it would be fun to take you along with me just for a quick outing, and then when I get back I have a few new bits that I want to show you. I'm going to do a bit of unboxing, so that should be fun as well. But yes, let's head out into the city. Such a beautiful day outside. The sun is shining. It feels like spring is here, even though it snowed yesterday. But yes, I'm excited for the warmer weather and all the spring fashion. Yes, I just wanted to tell you I'm so excited about the sun that's shining. Hi everyone, so I'm back at home. It's actually been a couple of hours since I last spoke to you, and I got my nails done, which I absolutely love. This has been my go-to color and shape for the last, gosh, probably 3 months or so. I just absolutely love it. It is OPI's Bubble Bath, if you are wondering about the color. And then I just ask for a rounded almond shape. And this is 3 coats of the OPI Bubble Bath, and I just absolutely love it. I feel that this shape in particular makes my fingers just look very, very long and sleek. And yes, I love it. Probably heading into like later spring, summer, I'll be more adventurous with color, maybe something bright pink. But for now, I just love this. It goes with all of my outfits, and it's just a very great pinky neutral color. Then I promised you I do an unboxing because I received a few bits. So I'm going to do that now. Firstly, I want to unbox some goodies that I received from Monica Vinader. So I'm actually a Monica Vinader insider. And that is good news for you because I actually have a code with 20% off your order. So I'll put the code on the screen and also in the description box down below. And I already have 2 Monica Vinader pieces, these 2 rings, and I wear them every single day. If you follow me on Instagram, you will notice that I have them on in all my reels, and they're just such great quality pieces, nice statement pieces, and I chose both of these to wear them as like a stack, and I just love the gold of this, and I think these are just so beautiful. So I'm excited to be unboxing some new goodies with you. So I ordered 2 rings, and I've been eyeing these for quite a while, and I just want to show you that the Monica Vinader pieces come in this beautiful box. So each piece comes in a box like this, and then it has this little pouch that the ring comes in, or whichever piece you choose. And I actually don't know which piece this is. Oh, it's the most beautiful ring with this green, like emerald green gemstone. So green has definitely been a favorite color of mine. So I thought, why not get a ring in this color? And I also bought it, I think this is a size 7, just to wear on my index finger. I love wearing rings on my index finger, and I think this is just such a great piece. A nice bit of color added to my jewelry stack. Then the next one is also in this beautiful box. It also comes in its own little pouch, and gosh, I'm very clumsy today. And it's actually one of their signature rings. So this is Monica Vinader's signature style. They do rings, earrings, bangles in this shape, and I love the shape. And I actually got a size 5.5, so I could wear it on my ring finger. It fits perfectly. If you're unsure about the sizing, definitely go and have a look at their website. They have a very comprehensive breakdown of how to measure your ring size, and to be honest with you, it works for me every single time. So that is my new ring stack. I absolutely love it. This ring here in the middle is my bold Charlotte ring from Midjouri, but all the other gold rings is from Monica Vinader, and I just absolutely love these. And then the last piece is definitely something different for me. It is a necklace. It comes in this beautiful box. Again, it also has its own pouch. And why I say it's something new for me is because I don't wear necklaces. For the longest time, I just haven't worn any necklaces. As soon as I put something on, it kind of starts irritating me, and I just never get used to wearing something around my neck. I've always been someone that loves my earrings, my rings, and my bracelets. But you know what? It's time to venture out of the comfort zone and try to experiment a bit. And so I picked up this beautiful, very dainty, this is called the oval box chain gold necklace. And I thought, you know what, for my first like grown-up necklace, if you will, I'll go for something that is very dainty, that won't like bother me too much when I put it on. So let's see what it looks like on. And I'm so excited to style this one, and I think it's perfect for going into spring and summer, where you have more lower cut tops and little dresses. And I think this is just such a great piece. It is very dainty. I almost don't feel it on, so that is great, and I am excited to be wearing this and styling this for spring and summer. So that is the jewelry out of the way. Let me just put these boxes to one side. Then I also have something from Aritzia. So Aritzia have really amazing like blazers and jackets. Sorry, if you wobble a bit, it's because you're actually standing on a shoebox, and whenever I move the table, the shoebox kind of wobbles. So that is why you are wobbling. Let me do this on the side to minimize the little shaking. So what I was saying is Aritzia do amazing blazers and jackets. The tailoring is absolutely amazing. The fits are great. The quality is exceptional. I almost feel that you can compare it to some designer pieces. It's that good. So firstly, let me show you the packaging. So whatever I got, it's in this beautiful little bag. And then, can't wait to show you. Oh, the color is even better in person than it is online. It's this beautiful green jacket. So I'll show it to you from a little bit further away so you can see. So it's a cropped jacket. It has shoulder pads, and It actually matches my ring as well, which I'm super excited about. It has these gold buttons. Now, I initially saw this jacket in store, and my husband was with me, and I told him, you know, I love this jacket, love the color, love everything, but maybe I'll change up the buttons. But now looking at the buttons, it goes so well with my gold jewelry, and I think I'll just leave it like that. But yes, I'm definitely on a color kick for spring and summer, if you haven't noticed. So I'm just adding a lot of color to my wardrobe. I'm actually on a ban. I'm not allowed to buy any black for the foreseeable future because I just fell into a rut in fall and winter where I just had a lot of black. It's very easy to style if you only have black and like very neutral pieces. Don't get me wrong, it's very, very easy to get dressed. But I just felt very bored with all my neutrals and my blacks. So now I'm only buying color, still some neutrals, but for the most part color. And you know what, it excites me to no end, and I just can't wait for the warmer weather to come. When I spoke to you on my way to my nails, I told you how excited I was about the sun that was shining, and literally when I got back home it was cloudy and it started raining. And if you follow anyone else in Toronto, then they would also tell you that the weather is really unpredictable here. So yesterday it snowed, today the sun is shining, tomorrow it's cold again, but I think we have like 3 or 4 weeks left of this unpredictable weather before hopefully it'll be full-blown spring. So I'm excited for that. But yes, that is it for today's kind of day in the life vlog and unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If this is your first time here, please like and subscribe. I do fashion and styling videos here on YouTube with the odd day in the life vlog. And also don't forget to go and give me a follow over on Instagram. I do daily style reels there, which I think you would absolutely love. So make sure to join me over there. I would love to have you. But that's it from me for this week's video. And yes, enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll chat again to you soon.